Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to create a centerpiece using some candles. We're going to be using this candle holder and these other small little votive candle holders. So you can see here we have these. These you can buy from the dollar store. Doesn't matter which ones you have. We're also going to be using these pre-soaked acrylic balls here. Acrylic crystals. So just fill up each and one of your little candle holders with the acrylic crystals. We're going to be using some pre-soaked foam. And all you're going to need to do is take your candle and just put it inside of your little candle holder with your crystals inside. It's going to make a very beautiful light up effect. So now we're just going to begin taking our foam and shaping it. We were using LED lights here in this case, but of course you can use candles. We're just using it on account of safety. We don't want to burn anything. So you can see we just have these LED lights. So take your foam and cut it so that it fits into your little vase here. We're going to be using live flowers. Of course you can use artificial flowers. We have these blue hydrangea that we sprayed with this blue spray. So it's not natural like this. These are sprayed hydrangeas along with this limonium. So we're just going to start creating our centerpiece. Cutting our hydrangeas on an angle and inserting it in as we like. Now we're just going to begin adding our filler. It's a very, very quick centerpiece. It's very beautiful. And you can make it any color you like. Of course, you can use any sorts of flowers. It's very quick and easy. So we're just going to accent it with some gold salal. You don't need many flowers for the centerpiece. We're only using about 3 hydrangeas here. 3 to 4 hydrangeas. Some filler. And any greenery of your choice. Just place your filler anywhere you'd like. We're also going to be adding some decorative branches. So the design is fully up to you. Use your imagination. And any color scheme that you like. Decorative branches will give your centerpiece a little bit of height. And this ivy will also make it a little bit more interesting. The color scheme on its own is very attractive and very romantic, so it's perfect for any event. Fill in any gaps that you have with your filler or your greenery. Add any long, beautiful greenery. As I do here, I have ivy. I also added some asparagus just to touch at the top. So feel free to use any greenery to accent your centerpiece the way you'd like. These different colors and different sets of greenery make your centerpiece look very expensive and very beautiful. So feel free. And this is your final result. All you need for this is just one big candle holder, a few votive candle holders, a few flowers, hydrangeas, and it's a very, very quick, beautiful centerpiece. Just a reminder, you can use any sorts of flowers with this, especially artificial, so feel free, let your imagination run wild. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns below, and don't forget to subscribe.